Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over Hurt, covered by Johnny Cash, written by Trent Reznor. It's in standard tuning. So you're going to start off with an A minor, and that's your middle finger and your ring finger on the second fret of the D and the G string, and your index finger on the first fret of the B string. You're going to start on the A string, and you're going to pluck down on the A and the D, and then strum the rest of the strings down. Move your finger up to the third fret on the A string in a C position. Same thing. Stroke down on the A and the D, and then strum the rest, and then move to a G position, and now you're going to be on the D string. Okay, now for the verse, he's just playing a G. Moves that over to an A minor, to an F, a C, that high E string really rings out. So what I do is I play the G like this, so everything's on the third fret, and that's the sixth string, and then the first and second string, and then I keep my pinky there on the third fret, and I just move to an A minor position, same that we started off with. Now move to an F position, so your ring finger just moves over to the third fret, okay? Everything else stays the same, and then you just move up one position to the fifth and fourth string into that C position. Again, just keeping your pinky on that third fret of the high E string the whole time. Just repeats that. So I hope you enjoyed that guitar tutorial today. It's a really easy song. It's kind of a stretch if you keep your pinky on that third fret. But thanks a lot for coming back and checking out the channel. I really do appreciate it. Keep subscribing, sharing the videos. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. I'm really open to really learning and helping you learn on the guitar. Any song you'd like to, just request it, and we'll get it out there for you. Thank you.